Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make yourself some protein cookies. So, first things first, what you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees, fan oven preferably, gas mark, I don't know, you'll have to Google that, but 180 degrees. Ingredients is going to be nice and simple. You're going to need a banana, some sultanas, or you can have chocolate chips depending on what your diet is at the moment. You're going to need 50 grams of crunchy peanut butter, or smooth if you're absolutely mental. You're going to need 2 scoops of your protein shake, preferably a London Muscle protein shake, link in the description. And then you're going to need 100 grams of just your standard porridge oats. So, first of all, you get, and a banana, you mentioned a banana, but first of all, you get your banana and you peel it, if you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, again, Google is great for these sorts of things to help you to learn new skills. Peel your banana, throw it in your mixing bowl. Get a fork and mash it up into like a paste. Easier said than done when the bowl's this big. Mash it up, you can use your hands if you want. I feel like a TV chef doing it like this. So you mash it up. Mash, 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 until it's like a gloopy paste. Then you're going to add absolutely everything. So add in your oats, straight in, peanut butter, straight in, protein powder, straight in, and sultanas. Now you can change this with chocolate chip, but I'm going to use sultanas because it's a fairly low calorie cookie is what we're aiming for. So sultanas, you could use chocolate chip. If you're going to use chocolate chip and you still want it to be low calories, then use dark chocolate. They go straight in. Then we're going to mix it all together. Probably edit this bit out because it's boring. I'm not going to get your hands in there as well. It's going to get messy. You're going to mix it all together, so it looks something like that. Quick taste test. Tastes good. Tell me what I'm going to do. Baking tray. I've run out of space here. You got to so good. Wash my hands. Now I've washed my hands, I'm going to use some of this spray light to put on the baking tray. You could use butter, but keep it as healthy as possible. So, brilliant, right now. Bear with me. This will do. Then, just put your cookie mix onto the tray and make some space. Cookie mix onto the tray. So this should make about 7 cookies. And at the end I'll put the macros and stuff on for each cookie. But you should get about 7 cookies out of this. Look at those. Oh, I only managed to make 6, but they are pretty big. So we're going to go and throw it into the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we should be done. This is it now. They're ready. Moment of truth. Oven mitts essential. Oh yeah. That's hot. Look at those. Here we are then, the finished product. I've been extra cheeky and I've put a bit of no added sugar jam. It's 26 calories per tablespoon, so not a lot. So let's taste it now that they're finished. hot. Amazing. It's taken me, I mean, they were in the oven for 13 minutes, 5 minutes to prepare, dead easy, easy ingredients, nothing difficult about it, perfect. It's good. So, I put the macros on the screen, and on this side, I'll put the amount per cookie as well. If you want to go and check out the recipe, it's on the London Muscle website, so the recipe and everything will be there. If you want to go and check it out, I recommend that you do. I'm gonna make my way through all of these, I think. So there you have it. Protein cookies that are pretty low calories and better than your normal cooking. So, give the video a thumbs up, hit the like button. I'm gonna eat all of these, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!